Good morning to all of you once again. Now, letter number 3. So, in this chapter, total 6 letters are there, 3 for inquiry and 3 for reply. Only products are different, but letter is same. For example, letter number 3. Here, in the previous letter, inquiry letter is about tea. Here, inquiry letter about purchase of a specific furniture. Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay Kheralu wants to purchase a specific furniture from Jai Hind Furniture Mart, Patan. So, write a letter on behalf of them inviting quotation for the purchase of a specific furniture. So, I think there is nothing in this letter. Simple letter is there. You can write in your own way. Then also for formality only, I am completing or writing this letter. Again, format is same. Address of sender in the middle part of the letter once again, or any one format. For example, we have done in chapter number 4. Regular part of the letter. That is given on page number 18. So try to adopt that format only. Try to follow that format. Here heading, page number 18 is given. Heading here means name of the company or name of the business unit. Their address means address and name of the business unit of sender. Then this side phone number, this side email number, same format. Then address of the receiver. After that subject here. And then dear sir, and then start letter. Try to write letter in 3 different paragraphs. 3 parts are there. Introductory paragraph about yourself, then middle paragraph for the purpose for which you are writing letter, and then concluding paragraph. Try to end the letter with an objective. And then here thank you, and here yours faithfully. And if you are attaching any documents, any other paper with this letter, then enclosure here you have to write enclosure. The same format you have to follow in every letter, whether it is inquiry letter or reply letter. Now letter number 3. In letter number 3 and letter number 1 is almost same. That is inquiry letter. In first letter, that is inquiry letter about tea product, here furniture. So here, first of all, address, format I am telling you orally. Address of the sender once again, Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay. Then any address you can write. Okay. Then here phone number, email number, then address of sender. Then dear sir, subject, and then content. Content is, I have my own furniture shop. I have my own furniture shop in the Central Market, Kheralu. Then we require I have my own furniture shop in the Central Market, Kheralu. And one more line you can add. I am involved in this business. For the last 20 years. I need furniture like tables, chairs, steel cupboards, etc. in bulk. Bulk means in huge quantity. We wish to buy the following goods from you. Then list of products are given, for example first, then second, third and fourth. Wooden chairs, $30 pieces. Next one is writing table, reading or writing table, then size is given 2 by 4 feet, number of pieces 30 pieces. Then third one is steel cot, size 6 into 25 feet, 32.5 feet, pieces again 30 pieces. Then steel cupboard, again size 6 into 3 feet, again same 30 pieces. So here we are giving order for various products of furniture. Now concluding part, we expect superior quality and reasonable price of above mentioned order. So again same sentence. So kindly send us quotation, price list and other information like terms and condition, mode of payment, duration of delivery and method of delivery. Etc. And last sentence, we await your prompt reply, or in simple language, I am waiting for Prompt means quick. Prompt reply. Then again here, thank you and yours faithfully. In this way you have to complete this letter. Letter number 3, inquiry letter. This is inquiry letter. Here in this letter we are inquiring about the price of these products which we want to purchase. Wooden chair, reading or writing table, steel cot, steel cupboard. Then size is given, number of pieces are given. Then you have to complete the letter by writing that we expect superior quality and reasonable price of above mentioned order. So kindly send us quotation, price list and all other relevant information like terms and condition, mode of payment, duration of delivery, methods of delivery. Then one more point, discount if it is available. And then last sentence for finishing the letter, I am waiting for your prompt reply. Then here left side thank you and right side yours faithfully. This is letter of inquiry about furniture. Now reply of this letter, letter number 4. Letter number 4, letter of reply. Now previous letter is written by Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay Kheralu to Jai Hind Furniture. Now Jai Hind Furniture Mart is writing letter, replying letter to Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay. So here middle Jai Hind Furniture Mart, then their address again same, phone number, email, after that address of receiver means address of Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay, and then dear sir, and then you have to start the letter. So content of the letter, we thank you for your inquiry letter. Inquiry letter dated 20th April means the date on which the sender has written the letter, means Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralay has written the letter. So we thank you for your inquiry letter dated 20th April 2016 for the purchase of a specific furniture from us. Then we are pleased to know that you are interested, to purchase product from us. Now the quotation and terms for purchase. Terms for purchase of furniture furniture. R is under. Then quotation is given. First of all, price is given. Then you can mention price of all the items which buyer has demanded, means which Adarsh Nivasi Chhatralaya has demanded. Wooden chair 1200 each. Then this first item. Second item he has demanded reading writing table, reading or writing table. Then size 4 into 2 feet. Price 2200 each. Means anyway, in your own words you can write letter. Only for formalities I am writing, otherwise there is nothing in this letter. C. Steel cord. Size 6 into 2.5 feet. Price is 3200 each. Rupees 3200 each. D. Steel cupboard. Size 6 into 3 feet. Price rupees 4200. So any price you can write. This is about price. Next one is discount. First point. Second point, discount. 20% on the price list. 20% on the price list. Third one is regarding payment, means mode of payment. 50% payment along with order letter, and remaining 50% within 1 month of the receiving the goods. So 50% payment along with order letter and remaining 50% within 1 month of receiving the goods. Within 1 month of receiving the goods. This is about payment. Then delivery of goods. Within 10 days. Of receiving the goods. Fifth, transportation. Transportation through our vehicle at our own cost. And sixth, last one, that is duration of terms, means duration of delivery. (30 days). And then last part of the letter, that is concluding part. We hope that our prices that our prices and terms will be acceptable and you will place order promptly. Then here again, thank you, yours faithfully. And this is completion of letter number 4, letter of reply. Letter of reply against the letter of inquiry about furniture. So we thank you for your inquiry letter dated, then date you have to mention, for the purchase of specific furniture from us. We are pleased to know that you are interested to purchase product from us, or you have shown, instead of this line you can write another sentence, that you have shown in interest in our products. The quotation and terms for the purchase of furniture are as under. Then list of different terms and conditions or different points are given. First one is price, then discount, then payment, delivery of goods within 10 days of receiving the goods, transportation, duration of terms, and then concluding part of the letter that we hope that our prices and terms, other terms, will be acceptable and you will place order promptly. Now letter number 5. This is about inquiry letter about cycle. They want to purchase cycle. So only I am reading. If any difficulty you can ask, otherwise you can write in your own way. Write an inquiry letter to National Cycle Company, Delhi, with reference to their advertisement of super speed cycle on television. Means you have come to know about this product, about super speed cycle on television through an advertisement. So write letter. First of all, again your address, then mobile number, email, then address of the receiver, or any address you can write, because here address is not given. Then subject for the purpose of purchasing cycle, and then dear sir, and then you start letter. So only I am reading, otherwise same inquiry letter which we have written 2 times, in the same way you have to write, only product is different. We have come to know, in simple language I am telling you, we have come to know through an advertisement telecasted on television about the different models of super speed cycles. It has motivated us to write this letter to you. Then second para, we have a large network in Gujarat for the sale of, or you can write same sentence, that we are dealing in cycle. We are dealing in cycle, or we have our own shop, a big shop in this market, means name of the market. For the last 20 years we are dealing in various varieties of products in cycle. If price and terms of business are satisfactory, we will purchase approximately 500 cycle next year from you. That's why, then last part, please send us catalog and price list of the different models of super speed cycle and inform us about other details like transport facility, discount, mode of payment, mode of delivery, and then thank you, yours faithfully. Once again, your advertisement telecasted on television has drawn our attention to the different models of super speed cycles. It has motivated us to write this letter. Or in other words, you can write that we have come to know through an advertisement telecasted on television about the super speed cycles produced by you or manufactured by you. This motivated us to write this letter. Then second part, try to give order and or try to ask information from those suppliers that we have our own shop of cycles in this market, in particular market, for the last 20 years. So if the price and terms of business are satisfactory, we will try to give order of approximately 500 cycles next year. That's why last concluding part. So Please send us the catalog, price list and other terms and condition or other relevant information about super speed cycle, and we will try to place order immediately or quickly or very soon. Thank you, yours faithfully. Last one is reply of inquiry letter, letter number 5. Reply of letter number 5. Again same letter, same reply letter, same sentence you can write here, which we have written here. We thank you for your inquiry letter dated on 20th April 2016 for the purchase of, only you have to change the name of product, for the purchase of super speed cycle manufactured by us. We are pleased to know that you are interested to purchase product from us. Same sentence. Then quotation and terms of purchase of furniture are as under. Then you can give terms and condition. For example, price, or if price is not given, then you can write discount. We are allowing 20% discount on the price list. Means other points remain same. Discount, payment, price you can write depends on variety of products. We are sending catalog along with this letter. You can write instead of price, you can write we are sending price list or and quotation along with this letter. And discount, then discount you can write that we are giving 20% on the price list, payment 50% payment along with order letter and remaining same points you can write. Delivery of goods within 10 days of receiving the goods, transportation through our vehicle at our own cost, duration of terms within 30 days we will supply the product. And then last sentence, we hope that our price and terms will be acceptable and you will place order promptly. Same, almost same matters are, almost all points are same except price. Here instead of this you can write that we are sending catalog and price list along with this letter. This sentence is for price. And then after that you can write down the same points: discount, payment, delivery of goods, transportation, duration of terms. And we hope that last sentence, we hope that our price and terms will be acceptable to and you will place order promptly. So 3 letters are of inquiry and 3 letters are of reply. In this way this chapter is completed.